Wade in the water, wade in the water, children, wade in the water. They gon' kill us with the water.
Every day, 1,800 children die from water-related diseases. The state of New Jersey banned lead in 1987, but today, Newark's lead is 4 times above the federal standard.
Come hell
or high water,
we'll still be gasping on the neglect. There's no point in fixing poisonous pipes
that can kill off a race of people
that refuse to be a pair of flailing arms,
being suppressed by the waves
and dragged under the weight of the water, pressed down and we can't breathe.
The water has been killing us on a cycle. According to the Encyclopedia of Virginia Humanities, 15% of all slaves who took the journey westward fell overboard, pouring down into every ocean.
Spirits of slaves evaporated into the sky.
We learned exactly what the water cycle was.
Starting with the Americas being flooded with enslaved people.
Flooded
with the riches that accompanied their captives.
Flooded blood into every plantation. Ebony boys and girls learned to choke on blood before they learned to swim.
Learned to hold their breath through such a thick liquid.
The balance states that when the levees broke,
80% of New Orleans was obliterated by the flooding.
The sorrows of centuries accumulates above our heads, and scholars are still curious as to why only 30% of colored children can swim.
Black bodies clinging to ocean floors.
Our life jackets ripped away.
As soon as we're old enough to crawl down broken pavement,
nothing to hold on to except
lost colored souls.
So often, we drown somewhere in between the school to prison pipeline,
doing everything we can to hold our heads above water, learning our techniques the old-fashioned way, thrown into the deep end. To see if melanin can float to land.
Whether it be the rusted chains on the mid-Atlantic route or the rusted lead pipes that pollute 63 million homes.
We've always been drowning in oppression.
Had our lungs overflown with prejudice, our own tears make us choke on the fight in our voices.
I've always known how filthy the water can be, bathing in abundance, only to realize that
the history of pain can't be washed away. Blood is thicker than the water my ancestors waded in. The water is forever muddy with black suffering.
Cycles keep going until you break them.
You can't break something that's fluid unless you freeze it.
To prove that we can swim too,
we cry rivers and sweat oceans.
Bleed bottles of blood.
We've been drowning in our oppression for so long.
We've gone deaf to the soulful sound of
wade in the water. They gon' kill us with the water.